Hey everyone, the Tenways Wayfarer marks the company's latest step into the US e-bike market, offering a refined balance between performance, comfort, and smart urban design. Aimed squarely at city commuters, but flexible enough for light off-road paths, this 27.5-inch electric bike reflects Tenways' continued dedication to blending sleek European styling with practical engineering. At its core, the Wayfarer is powered by a 500-watt Bafang rear hub motor capable of peaking at 750 watt. Out of the box, it delivers a top-assisted speed of 20 miles per hour, but riders can unlock the full Class 3 potential and reach up to 28 miles per hour. The motor offers smooth acceleration and consistent power delivery, making it ideal for quick city sprints and steep urban climbs. Complementing this is a detachable 720 watt-hour lithium battery neatly integrated into the frame. With a maximum claimed range of 85 miles on a single charge, the Wayfarer comfortably covers daily commutes and weekend rides alike without constant recharging. Tenways didn't stop at power and range. The bike's build quality is another strong point. The frame is constructed from 6061 aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, balancing rigidity with a relatively light total weight of around 57.5 pounds. It supports up to 265 pounds of combined rider and cargo weight, making it practical for errands or heavier riders. For ride comfort and stability, the Wayfarer uses a fixed 15 front suspension fork and large 27.5 by 2.6-inch puncture-resistant tires that provide solid traction and a confident ride even on rougher city roads or gravel paths. In terms of gearing, the Shimano 8-speed system delivers a familiar, reliable shifting experience suited for both flat stretches and inclines. The inclusion of hydraulic disc brakes ensures powerful and consistent stopping performance, which adds a layer of safety when navigating unpredictable city traffic. Technology and smart integration also play a significant role in defining the Wayfarer's appeal. A 4.3-inch LCD display sits at the handlebar, offering essential ride data, password protection for added security, and even a USB-C port for charging mobile devices on the go. The bike also connects to the Tenways companion app, where users can track ride stats, monitor battery health, and manage performance data directly from their smartphones. An especially thoughtful addition is Apple Find My support, allowing users to locate their Wayfarer easily if misplaced or stolen, something few e-bikes currently offer. Aesthetically, the Wayfarer carries the minimalist charm typical of Dutch design: clean lines, seamless battery integration, and two elegant color options, blue and white, give it a modern yet timeless look. Priced at $2,199, the Tenways Wayfarer enters the upper mid-range segment of commuter e-bikes. However, as part of its launch promotion, Tenways is offering an early bird discount that drops the price to $1,899 with the code EARLYBIRD300. Overall, the Tenways Wayfarer represents a confident entry into the US market, combining thoughtful design, robust performance, and smart technology in one package. It's an e-bike designed not just for getting around the city, but for enjoying the journey. Powerful enough to thrill, refined enough to fit seamlessly into everyday life, and intelligent enough to stand out in an increasingly crowded e-bike landscape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.